Welcome back to episode 19. We're going to be doing the same exact thing that we did in the last video, except with Java now. So Java, in my opinion, is a lot more complicated in how it actually does this. So to actually output to a file, first off, we need to get the input that we want to send to the file. So we do that with the variable myLine, and then we use system.out to prompt the user, and then we use a scanner using system.in, so the screen, to get the input, and then we set it to myLine, and then we just print out whatever myLine is, and then we go ahead and create a new file. So what this try thing is in Java you say try if you don't think something might work. I guess that's how it works. But anyway, you try this, and then if there's some sort of error in here, it's going to be known as an exception, and we're going to catch that exception and print it out to the screen. Anyway, so this is what we need to pay attention to. So we're creating a new file called myFile, and we're putting in the path. One thing to mention is that the Java way of referencing the file path is different from C++. It might just have to do with the Eclipse IDE. I don't know if it would be different if you just wrote a single Java file, but anyway, instead of going from your source and then writing the path, you go from where the project is. So we're just going from the project over into files and then putting it there. And this is from a previous take, so I'll get rid of it. Anyway, as you can see here, that's that path. Now we're creating what's known as a file writer, and this is how we actually write to the file, and we're calling it output file, and we're passing in that file that we just created. Now we're going to say output file.write, and then we're going to pass in whatever we want to write. So if we go ahead, and then I should say this, so we're closing that, in other words, saving the file, and then if anything goes wrong, we're printing out that exception. So let's go ahead and run this, and it'll ask us for a line. So I'll say this is my line, and hopefully, yeah, it prints this back to us because I put that line in there, but it should have printed it to a file as well. And there it is. Awesome. Now I'm going to try to read this from a file, from that file specifically. So what I can do is just create a scanner. So I'm going to keep this file here, and I'm going to get rid of the rest of this stuff. So I'm going to use a scanner to do that, because scanner just looks for input. It can be from the screen or file. So I'm going to use a different scanner, because this scanner up here gets its input from the screen, but we want this scanner to get it from the file. So I'll say file input, and then we'll say new scanner, and then pass in that file that we created, my file, and that's right here. So now we can go ahead and get that input and set it equal to, I'll just say a new string. We don't have to, we could use myLine, but let's use a new one. It's capitalized in Java for whatever reason. Anyway, string current line is equal to, and we'll say my scanner, which is called input dot next line. So there we go. And now we'll just print this to the screen. So cout what is it, current line, yep. Anyway, oh, I'm trying to use C++ there. It's different in Java. So system.out.print line, and then current line. There you go. And now if we go ahead and run this, it should work. Let's see. And it's asking for a line, so let's go ahead and get rid of this stuff. So there you go. And we'll go ahead and run this, and there we go. This is my line, and that is what's in the file here. So that's how you do it in Java. Hopefully that was a quick video. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Catch you later.